Gani daw.
It looks like we're going to Manila.
Intra man mo.
It looks like we're going to Manila.
Hindi, dito yata, oh. Tama ito ba sa gym? Oo. Aring oval nila.
Sama na.
Welcome to this year's discipleship program. Court with you today is Coach Kel from ENC Calibo. So that's us. So we hope that you enjoy this day with our spiritual family. Yung katabi nyo, spiritual family po yan. And hindi kayo magkamukha, sabihin nyo, kapamilya kita. You'll take lots of photos and don't forget to include the hashtag. Again, the hashtag pagsakin only, that's PGDT2025. Hashtag
Nobody asks me which family do you want to be a part of? What milk do you want? What gender? Nobody asked me because I was born into this world belonging to a family. You see, we are finite creatures. We are not self-sustaining beings. We don't belong to ourselves. God is our creator.
Lima na lang kami nabilin, tapos sa uling, wala ako na bato. Nagutuman ako sa bilog ng adlaw, ato bro. Nagit-gali ako yun na kaya. Doang hindi ko tamakuan, hindi ko kahit hindi sa minahambal sa ako, hindi na pasunod. Good guys, iyan.
Tapos pag-apply mo galing sa Metrobank, bye-bye. Kaiping mo, galing. Pero ikaw akong naalala eh. Madaling maalala yung pangalan.
Work break.
Ay, kasabay ko ra.
Grabe di, ka mga ong.
See that white building, ate? That's my workplace, the big one.
There's a white building. That's my tatay's workplace.
Oo, tinitin kita before ka work si Tito Kielo.
It's a giant one and it's a tower and it has a 7-Eleven
Ayaw ko si Shalan, kitsa ka! Shalan, hindi mo ka ba? Si Tracy na mo.
Subscribe yung niya.
Gusto niyo magsakay nila, oh? May nakapailig sa magang kapayas.
Mana-mana terus guru juga.
Tukakan ko lang sa inyo.
Let's go.
Sila anay ko, no? Kamu una nga. Kami naman.
Riley, where are you going?
Wait for us. Palamig kami ganun tapos sa inyo. Sa mainit.
Wow.